Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be going over the Google Admin Workspace Center, okay? So choose your favorite browser and go into your Workspace account. This is going to be my Workspace account that is connected to my admin. That you will see this icon if it's a Workspace account. Click on this and you can go to Admin Console. You have to see this managed by the domain name unless you won't get it. Yeah, then you go to Admin Console over there, or you can just type in admin.google.com, which will take you to the main admin dashboard. Here you will be seeing users. We can add a new user by clicking on new user and fill it out. I'm not going to be adding a new user right now. And then this is going to be our domain. We can add our domain and more. So first thing is first, we're going to go through apps, an overview, okay? Here we can enable and disable apps for Google sign-in, okay? So let's say I turned off Google AI Studio. So now if I go to Google AI Studio and then sign in, there we go, it's gone. If I go to my Google AI Studio once again, it's gone. It won't work anymore. Google AI Studio, because I disabled it. Okay, there we go. Sorry, you don't have access to AI Studio. Please log into your admin. Okay, let's try a different account. This is my other workspace account. See, we are sorry you don't have Google access. So, well, so if you enable it again, now we get it back. Google AI Studio. And then click on that, and then we are back in Google AI Studio. And then we can do that for web and mobile apps too. And also marketplace apps. So we can add marketplace apps. We can install organization apps. Like for Canva, we can install it and they can see it in the workspace, okay? We can do admin install, which I'm not going to be doing right now. And we have settings. In settings, you can do any user can download apps from the marketplace, but I'm going to choose do not allow. Only allow for internal apps, which I'm going to set as the admin. Okay, so the next thing we'll be going over is generative AI. So I disabled the Gemini app. So if I go to gemini.google.com, this should be disabled. Yep, you do not have access to the Gemini app because I don't want my people to use Gemini. So if I just enable it right now, okay, status has been updated. So if I go to gemini.google.com, we're back. I did the same for Gemini Enterprise. This should be enabled at Notebook LM. Okay, and then security. This is going to be our main thing that you would want to monitor every single time. This is where you get to see your rules, alert central, data classification, passwordless sign-ins. Like passwordless sign-ins, that means like OAuth. OAuth sign-ins, like Adobe sign-in, Microsoft sign-in. But for now, I just chose Google sign-in. We have two-step verifications, account recovery, and then we have authentication. This is the one we just went over, all two-step and stuff. So let's go over access and data control. This is going to be our main access, okay? App access control. So let's say I want to log into Canva. I should I should have given this access, so let's try. Okay, never mind. So I didn't give it access, okay? So you can just click on request access, choose the account you want to request the access from. So in the admin dashboard, as the admin, you should see the app review pending. So I see that. I see the Canva app that's pending. And Google gives you a verified icon if Google verifies this. So we can configure access. Click on the organization you want to give access to and configure access. You can click on all users in R Studios, which is my organization that I made. Next, and give it to trusted. Or we can just give it to specific details, like only drive, only that like limited, but I'll give it trusted fully. We'll, I'll turn that off and configure access. So what this does is make this in the verified list. So if I go to here, this is going to be in our internal apps. So that means I have as an admin verified that these apps they can sign into, but other apps they cannot. So for example, let's change the access for Infinity Free. Let's block it. And now they cannot access that. There we go. That has been blocked. So now if I go back to Canva and continue with Google, so I log into my account. Now, see, I can sign in. There we go. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's episode. See you later.